Hi everyone, today we are going to do Words Their Way Sort 1 from Syllables and Affixes. This sort looks at all our vowels in one syllable words. So we're going to have a look at the patterns that form around our vowels and see if we can sort our words. Now the first thing you should have done already is read your words out and make sure that you know what each one says. So if you need to pause the video now, pause it and have a look at your words and make sure you can read them all. Get them out on the table in front of you and then we will continue together. Okay, you should have your headings along the top. So this first heading, VVC, stands for vowel, vowel, consonant. So we're looking for words that have that pattern within them. Two vowels next to each other, followed by a consonant. Your next heading is just vowel, consonant. So we're looking for some shorter words that maybe have the vowel in the middle and end with one consonant. Over here it gets a bit more complex. We're looking for a singular vowel followed by two consonants to end the word. And lucky last, we've got our vowel consonant with an E on the end. And we know that E is going to change the sound our vowel makes because we had a look at those sorts in our last lot of sorts from the last book. Okay, so I've got my bold words, and of course that's what I start with because it helps me to see the pattern. This first word here says wine. Not the wine that we drink, but the wine that someone may make, the sound someone may make when they're upset about something, so wine. When I look at this word, it's got my vowel here and then a consonant with an E on the end. And that E is changing it to I, making wine. So I'm going to put it on the end here in my vowel consonant with the E on the end column. Okay, my next word that I'm going to look at here is this bold word here. And it says chief. Chief. And I go to where my vowels are and I can see I and E next to each other. That's two vowels. And then the F, which is a consonant. So if I look along the top here, vowel, vowel, consonant, that's where it's going to go. All right, then this word here is smell. Is my vowel. And it's followed by two consonants. So I'm going to put that here where it says vowel, consonant, consonant. Okay, so we're looking for the patterns around those words. And my lucky last one is W-R-A-P, wrap. And this has got one vowel, one consonant at the end. And as you can see, it's a slightly shorter word, so it's going to go up here. So once I've done my headings, I'm ready to start sorting the rest of my words. So as we read each one, I want you to be thinking in your head, what pattern can you see? Okay, my first word I'm taking off the table here is front. Okay, front, when I look for my vowel, there it is, O, followed by two consonants, N-T. So it's going to go here with smell. Vowel, consonant, consonant. Okay, another word I've got is plot. Plot, a shorter word. It's just got one vowel and a consonant on the end, so it goes here. All right, next word is quote. Quote. This one's a bit trickier because it has the U in it, which could cause some confusion because it's technically got two vowels, although that U has to go with the Q to make the qu sound. And it has an E on the end, so that gives us our hint that it's going to go over here in our wine column. Okay, hopefully you're starting to see some patterns now and you can have a go with your words. Feel free to pause the video, have a go, and then check your work. Or if you'd like to keep going with me, that's also an option. The word here is fruit. Fruit has got two vowels, the U and the I together, and then the consonant on the end, fruit. So it's going to go up here with chief in my vowel, vowel, consonant column. Okay, we're going to keep sorting fairly quickly now to get through this. We've got thank, which has the vowel, consonant, consonant. So it goes in this column. We've got clog, vowel, consonant. Stain, stain. The A sounds being made with two vowels and a consonant on the end. Next word is brave. Brave. It has got our A sound being made with an E, turning A into A. So it goes over on the end here. Brave. As we keep going through. Trust. It's got a vowel in the middle, followed by consonant, consonant, trust. Next word over here, groan, groan, O sound. It's being made by two vowels. Pop our consonant on the end. Scale. It's being made with the A sound, which has an E on the end to help it say A, and our consonant in between, so it goes here. Scale. Quit. Another one just like our word quote here, where it's got the qu sound, but what we focus on is that vowel, it, and the t. Quit. Here we have sharp, sharp, up. The A is followed by two consonants, so it goes here. Alright, this next word says theme, okay? And that long E there is being made by the E on the end. And so it goes in our one column. Next word is phone. It's got the O sound, N-E, the E on the end, tells us it goes here. Okay, continuing on. Next word here is twig. Twig, shorter sound, just one vowel and a consonant. Next word over here, we've got scout. Scout. So we're looking over to our far column here. Scout. And this word here is brief. It's got the I and the E in it, which is our two vowels followed by a consonant, so it goes in our end column. Brief. Okay, two more words to go. That's what you should have. We've got when, what, n. It's got one vowel, one consonant, so it goes in our vowel consonant column. Lucky last word. You've got climb. When I look at this, I look for my vowel, which is the it in the middle. It makes the I sound, call I, and it's followed by MB, making the sound, and it goes in our vowel consonant consonants column. So that's your sort there for today. Make sure yours matches mine. Pick out any words you're unsure of and make sure that you can use them in a sentence and understand what they mean so that you are ready to go when we sort again tomorrow. Okay, thanks guys.